Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm glad that you tuned in. It's the first video of 2021. I just want to thank everybody for the support so far. Go ahead and give this video a like. It really does help up. We're trying to grow. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. And let's set that goal for 100 subscribers. And then we're going to move to 1,000 subscribers and we're going to grow. So let's go ahead and get into this video. So you seen the title and you're like, okay, Roland, give it to us, what we got. So I learned a lot in 2020. We all learned a lot in 2020. And one of the things that stuck out to me was something that was slowing my progress, and I didn't even know. I didn't even recognize it until I was forced to take a look at it. So you're looking at this title and you're like, what is it? What's this thing that's slowing our progress? And what's the funny thing is actually us not slowing down is what's slowing our progress. So we're in this culture, right? And it's all gas, no brake. We grinding, we getting it, we pushing, you know what I'm saying? If you sleeping, you losing out here. I sleep when I'm dead. I'm out here 5150, about to get it. Well, the thing about that is we get it until we ain't got nothing left to give. And so, you just ran into the ground. I mean, for a lot of people that I've talked to, when everything shut down, the world shut down, everybody was forced to just stop their schedule, and they realized, man, I'm running to the ground. Like, I'm tired. I didn't know that I was doing so much. And with that progress, it's like, hey, I didn't even know, I was neglecting things. My health, my mental space, my family, my friends, who I really am, my own dreams. So slowing down actually gave people a different perspective, and now that can help shift that for that progress. And we think about it like this, and like I said, in that culture, like, we got to get it. We thinking like, if we're not doing something, this very minute, that we're losing, we're not being successful, we're behind, somebody else is getting it. And if you think about it, if they was like, hey, tomorrow, you gotta run a 20-mile race, you ain't gonna come out the gate 110% like gone, because you be dead about the 100 meters, and then you still got all that race to run. So normally when we look at life is a marathon. Our business, our goals, we have short-term goals, we have long-term goals. We gotta find that pace, and you're gonna rest. You're gonna find that pace. You're gonna run something. You're gonna let me get that water. All right, and then I'm gone again. And it's just like, it's almost ludicrous. It's almost like you saying, you know what, this week I ain't going to sleep. Every second, every minute, I'm out here, I'm gonna grind. I'm gonna get it. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna work. Nah, that's gonna work by day 2, day 3. When you're dead tired, you're falling asleep. All your movement is sluggish. You're making all these errors, and now you're slowing your own self down because you got to go back and fix that. Instead of you doing manageable work and then going to sleep, waking up fresh and doing it again. Shoot, majority of us, by hour 8, by hour 12, at work, regular work, you be like, you know what? I'm out of here, dog. They ain't getting nothing else out of me. I'm gonna do the bare minimum, and they just want to catch me tomorrow. You hear me? So stuff like that. So just that whole thing of us not slowing down is actually slowing our progress. And it's not just talking about just having, going to sleep, or eating something different. We need all kinds of breaks. We need to recharge spiritually. We get drained out. We got nothing else to get in. So we need something to pour back into us. We need a break mentally. Like, hey, we need to shift focus. I need to get out of my office. I need a different scenery. I need to be around some friends and some family, or do whatever else. Just calm, get a massage, that mental break. A lot of times for me, I work full time. I'm doing photography and videography, and it's a steady grind. And some days I block out a weekend and resist the urge, because I be wanting to pick up my camera or practice on something or play around. I'm like, I'm gonna take a break. I'm not gonna grab my camera. I'm not gonna open up my laptop. Just take a break. I'm gonna unplug. And that's things we have to do. We have to recognize and understand that we can sacrifice these dimes and these days to relax and reset and get ready to roll. It's just that simple. So, I want to encourage you to find where you can take that break at mentally, physically, spiritually. If you don't have outlets, find an outlet and tell me in the comments, how you're going to slow down or how you're going to change some things up or something that you really learned that was slowing down your progress. So, like I said, thank you again. Go ahead, give it a like before you click off. Give it a like. Thank you. Appreciate that. Subscribe if you haven't. And until next time, peace.